Hey guys, what's up? Dominic Gaming here. I haven't done a video with my voice or face for a really long time, so this is a change. Alright, so I bought about a week ago the Michael Myers 2018. I don't know if you can see it right here. I probably won't do that because I don't have my laptop right now. I bought a mask about a week ago and somehow it's already here. It come from the US. I'm an Australian, so that's a really weird time, especially since it's 2020. Yes. Jason Part 3 mask I made myself, and this one's just my own kind of mixed Jason thing. Don't worry about the broken walls, and I broke my hand, long story. So after binge watching all this kind of crap, you know, it's probably backwards for you guys, I decided to buy a mask. I've got 4 or 5 more reviews coming in. This is the box, at least this is what I'm hoping that it is, so yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so as I said, it's pretty weird timing. I'm really surprised that it's already come. It's a bit early. I was told that it would be here around December sometime. At first I thought this was for my mom, so let me open up this. Oh, that's awesome. Hell yeah. Alright, now before I get into the mask, I want to show you guys some of the stuff that comes in the bottom. So, I've got the Halloween frightfrags.com. Get your 10% off code, use code trickortreat10, so if you guys want to do that, it's probably backwards right now, I'm not really sure. Yeah, if it's backwards, I'll swap it around. Your home for the horror days. It's a Chucky thing. And when you look on the back, it has so many more horror characters. Oh, Gizmo, Leatherface, Mikey, Jack, all that stuff. Awesome. Rock Rebel. Use code trickortreat10 at rockrebelshop.com. Not a sponsorship, just something else that come in it. Now we have the Fear Freshener. Hell yeah. It smells pretty nice. I'd let you smell if, you know, they had technology like that. That would be terrible. It smells pretty nice. Also, I know this is only just a double in. Also, I want to see if you guys can see this. Hockey mask up there I made. And also my fan art thing. Alright, so let's put this damn mask on. Alright. This came way quicker than expected. Yo, that hair feels so weird. Alright, it looks a little bit misshapen. Yo, that's so cool. I think I got a good one. Okay, so I was really alright, so this was $60 on their site, but since I'm an Australian, that makes it around 90 bucks, and then you got postage, which is like 50 something, so, not 50, it's like 40, so around 50. This cost me $137 all up, and I'd say, this actually looks really cool. Oh, that smells brand new. It's not ripped off either, like I can, I'm not getting a overhaul, I'm not repainting it because 1, I'm too poor, and 2, I like the way it looks, you know. Now, it does have the tag on it, care instructions, never store mask in direct sunlight. This is latex, guys, not silicone. I also have another latex mask. I made a video on it over a year ago, but I'm going to do a review on it. Keep away from extreme hot or cold. After wearing, clean the inside of the mask with a damp sponge. Once dry, dust inside with cornstarch or non-talc powder. Sweat and oils from skin can break down natural latex, so I'm a very sweaty person, so that makes it really hard for me. Never scrub anyone who sweats. I mean, everyone sweats, but I sweat all the time. If dusty, wipe with a dry cloth or feather duster. Wipe hair with a damp washcloth and restyle as needed. I mean, it lists on the side. I don't really need one. I can tell the eyes are a little wonky, but I don't really care. It's a $60 mask. It's not like a $600 one, so it's not really $60. But like, it doesn't look exactly like the pictures. But what do you guys expect? You know, like, this is probably the best quality mask you can get out there from an official site. If better visibility is required, use sharp scissors to increase the size of the eye holes. I don't think I'll do that. If you follow these care instructions, your Trigger Treat Studios mask will last for many years to come. Alright guys, I think I'm going to take this thing off and I'll switch it up before I put it on. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Pretty much, this is not an official one, it's just a random ass one that I got from, I think it was like a thrift store. My mum got it for me like a year ago. Alright, let's do this. I'll do one in the light and one in the dark. So, yeah, hold up. Alright guys. I'm just gonna quickly say, I really like the attention to detail on this mask, like, definitely. Sorry, that is not the thumbnail. Yeah, I really like this. If you can tell from H1, the first one, they've got the hold there from when Laurie attacked him. I reckon it's probably a little over-weathered, but that's okay. Sometimes that's good. Now let's put this baby on. Alright, let's go. Oh, I'm just gonna say there's a bit of paint on the inside, but that's okay. Holes in the ears. Oh no. It's definitely a little bit, I'd probably say it's a bit small. I've gotten a lot of that from a lot of videos, but this is awesome. Michael Myers Tupperware. I'll definitely be wearing this for some Halloween eventually. That's if we ever get to do Halloween again. Lovely. Yeah, I think you guys can see what I mean. I don't have wonky eyes. I'm very symmetrical with my eyes, but this mask isn't. Yeah. Definitely very nice. I'm gonna maybe find a way to black it out on the inside. Yeah, it looks really nice. This is where the wind was in the movie. Guys, it might be on the other side of you guys because, you know, it's a bit of a backwards quality. But, yeah. Because pretty much I really like this mask, and I honestly would recommend you guys go ahead and get this mask yourself. I don't really see why not. It's pretty cheap. Yeah. Very breathable. Breathable than half of these face masks nowadays, but you know, it's very tight, but I like that, because at least it doesn't like look stupid, because yeah. Expect more reviews coming in. I'll do a few more. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like if you really enjoyed this video, tell me if you get one down below, and tell me if yours looks any different. And remember, the care options, if you have one, make sure to take care of it. Alright guys, bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.